Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine, inshallah. Today I want to teach you maths grade 1 learn book page 6 how many, page 7 make 10. Let's start our page 6. This is our book, learner book, Cambridge Mathematics grade 1. This is page 6, how many. How many in each group? You can count only one. Here 1, 2. Down 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then here again, if you want to count in any order, no problem. Here you can count like this, downward, here left to right and right to left also. Again we want to count. Let's start. 1, only 1. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go to page 7. Make 10. Find two numbers to make 10. Here we have to count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. And here we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here they took how many red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yellow how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 friend. You can do like this also. Find 3 numbers to make 10. Find 3 numbers to make 10. Here now you can see they took how many red? 1, 2, 3. And how many yellow? 1, 2, 3. And how many blue? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 10. The same way you can draw in page 7. You can draw here 10. As you wish. You want take 5 red and 5 yellow. You want 6 yellow and 4 red. As you wish. You have to draw here in the same column and you have to complete page 7. This is our page 7 also completed. See you in next period. Thank you. Have a nice day.